Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to be doing something that I've never really done on this channel like that. The last time I did it was a while ago, but we are actually going to be cooking today. A lot of y'all don't know I do love to cook. I do like to cook it up in the kitchen. I am a good cook. I do cook a lot of Ghanaian food, a lot of African food, but this time I wanted to try something different. I've been craving shrimp Alfredo. As you see by the title, that's what we're going to be doing today. We're going to be cooking that. I have all my ingredients and everything, so we're definitely going to be going in that kitchen and cooking it up. This is my first time ever making this, so hopefully it goes well, y'all. Give this video a thumbs up if you like this kind of content, and if you want me to do more of this as well too. Don't forget to comment down below if you like it or not. If you're not already, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications for more videos with me. Alright y'all, so I'm finally in the kitchen. So we are going to be starting it off now. I have all my stuff like kind of prepared in a way. Like I have my skillet here and I got my water here for my noodles, for my fettuccine. Probably best to use this. So I got just one pack because I'm not going to really use the whole thing. I'm just going to use a little bit of it. The next thing that I have is this ragu classic Alfredo sauce. So we're going to be doing that as well too. And I think it's really good. This is the one, I've seen a video on this before, but we're going to be using this as well too. The shrimp, I got the cooked shrimp. So I'm gonna put it in a bowl though. And we're gonna thaw it just a little bit, but I got the shrimp as well too. I got the Kroger brand. I feel like that was much cheaper, so I got that. And then obviously my ingredients and everything. I got nutmeg, I got oregano here. I have seasoned salt here. I have ground black peppers here. And then I got curry too a little bit. I think I want to put some curry in the shrimp a little bit. So I got that. And then other ingredients too as well. Stove, I'm going to turn on the stove. Put it on high. Let that boil up. I'm also going to keep this turned on and I'm going to put it on low instead. I got this bowl that I'm about to pour the shrimp in. And then this is my skillet. So everything is on right now. I'm just waiting for it to start heating up. Close that. So yeah, I'm waiting for it to heat up just a little bit, and then we're going to add our noodles to it. And obviously this is going to be different because I'm going to add it to another bowl, or add it to the same one as this one once I drain it, once I drain the noodles. So yeah, I've been watching a lot of videos on this, so I'm gonna let that heat up and then I'm gonna come back and we're gonna talk some more. So we'll get into it.
This shit was all I knew, you and me only. I did it all for you, still you were lonely. We could've worked it out, but I guess things change. It's funny how someone else's success brings pain. When you're no longer involved, that person has it all, and you just stuck standing there. But I'm gonna need you to say something, baby. Say something, baby. Say something, baby. Say something. I'm gonna need you to say something, baby. I'm gonna need you to say something, baby.
Yeah, it really sucks, but ever since I've been long gone, I traded in my senorita for a microphone. I hate the way we fell apart, girl, it's sad to see. Your life is good, but me and you, we a catastrophe. If I was unsuccessful, would you be satisfied? I need a paramedic, girl, I'm feeling paralyzed. If I can choose, you will always be a friend to me. The more money I made, you're acting like my enemy. It's crazy, I can't help it if you're feeling change. Thought the pressure would turn you into my diamond babe. How can something so familiar be so strange? Closest friends get estranged when your status change. It's by mistake, that where I am ain't where you at. And my homeboy Larry Locke is the only one that had my back. We were the perfect pair, and now it seems that we don't match. Is it the money, want me to give it back?
This shit was all I knew, you and me only. I did it all for you, still you were lonely. We could've worked it out.
It is just, as you guys seen, it's just basically sauteing, honestly. Putting in seasoned salt first. A little bit of nutmeg in there as well too. Black ground peppers in there. oregano on there. I'll just show y'all. Oregano, ground sage, parsley flakes, just a little bit, not too much. And I'm gonna do is put a little bit of curry in there as well too, so y'all can see a little bit of curry in there. Mix it all up. Saute it a little bit more while it's cooking. My noodles is over here. All right, so the shrimp is cooked, y'all.
This shit was all I knew. You and me only. I did it all for you. Still you were lonely. We could've worked it out, but I guess things change. It's funny how someone else's success brings pain. When you're no longer involved, that person has it all.
But the shrimp looks really, really good. I'm gonna try one of these just to see if it's cooked. I'm pretty sure it is. This is a shrimp. I'm gonna add the shrimp onto there. And to top it off, in here, make sure all of it is coated.
How can something so familiar be so strange? Closest friends get estranged when your status change. It's by mistake that where I am ain't where you at, and where I'm home with Larry like the only one that had my back. We were the perfect pair at 9, it seems that we don't match. Is it the money want me to give it back?
This shit was all I knew. You and me only. I did it all for you. Still you were lonely. We could've worked it out.
Y'all, like, let's really talk about it. Like, let's really, I'm gonna try to zoom in, but let's really talk about it. It looks so freaking good. I'm gonna video record what this looks like for y'all so y'all can see it through here as well too. Y'all, I did that. First time I did that. Don't tell me nothing. Period. This looks so good. Like, I got my drink too as well. Cheers. All right. Let me stop talking. Let's do this. Like, don't talk to me. Don't talk to me. Like, what? Okay, time to see if it tastes good. I mean, I'm tripping, like I kind of tasted it already, but you're gonna see some more. Y'all, when I tell you, this is so good. I like the ragu. I feel like I would like to try another one too as well. Another Alfredo sauce. I've been craving this, y'all. Yeah, this is good. So good. Next thing I need to make is spicy Alfredo, spicy chicken or something like that. The shrimp is good too. It's not overly cooked. Oh my god. I'm at Red Lobster. So I'm gonna end this video here, y'all. This was very, very, very good. Like, y'all, I'm super proud of myself right now. For something so simple, I'm like really, really proud of myself. Like, if you like this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, because I really want to try a lot of different TikTok foods. Alright, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Thank you guys for watching this video with me and just seeing how I cook, you know what I'm saying? Even things that are new to me, see how I cook them. But yeah, if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. I love you guys so much. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll definitely see you guys in my next video. So I'm gonna continue to eat and all that jazz. So thank you guys, and I'll talk to you guys later in my next video. Bye.